Hello and welcome to our channel Baat Pate Ki. I am Deepa and today we will talk about lemongrass and its benefits in Ayurveda and how to make lemongrass tea. Lemongrass, as the name says, belongs to the family of grass and it smells similar to lemon and citrus fruits, but it is bitter and pungent in taste. Lemongrass is a herb which can be grown very easily, especially in tropical areas, and it requires just 5 to 6 hours of sunlight, and the soil requirement is that it must be humid or wet all the time. So you can also grow lemongrass at your home and it is very easy, very simple. You can grow it on the ground or on the pot. So here in the video you can see this is my small garden, small little green garden where I have planted some of the green plants, and this is the lemongrass herb which I have planted in a pot. And as you can see, these are the leaves of lemongrass. Lemongrass essential oil is also extracted from this herb and is used in many cosmetic products for the beautification purposes, and is very useful for acne problem and to heal the wounds and for many skin problems. Along with it, you can also add lemongrass essential oil to the vaporizer or in the air purifier. So now let us talk about some of the major benefits of lemongrass in Ayurveda. Lemongrass is very useful because it helps to reduce the Vat, Pitta and Kapha from our system. So it is very useful to reduce the bad cholesterol, the gas problem or the bloating issues. All these issues or the imbalances occur because of the imbalance in the digestive fire in our system, which leads to the accumulation of bad cholesterol, which clogs the blood vessels, ultimately leading to the problem. So lemongrass helps to improve the digestive fire or the Agni in our system and reduces the ama or toxins out of our body, which ultimately leads to decrease in the bad cholesterol and improves our digestion. Lemongrass is a bitter herb, and we know that most of the bitter herb help to reduce the blood sugar level and improve the function of the insulin in our body. So lemongrass is very useful in diabetes and sugar patients. Also, lemongrass is very effective in managing cold and cough problem. It releases mucus, controls cough and clears the passages, so the patient is able to breathe effectively, and this is possible because of the cough balancing property of lemongrass. Along with it, there are many benefits of lemongrass. It contains many active constituents like citral, neral and geranyl acetate. It is seen in many clinical trials that citral present in lemongrass is anti-cancerous compound and it attaches the cancer cells and destroys it. It has also antioxidant properties which clears out the toxins from our body. It is also seen that lemongrass has ulcer healing properties, especially ulcers caused by medication like Combiflam. It also reduces the inflammation and pain in the body, and it is especially helpful for women during their menstrual cycle. So these were some of the benefits of lemongrass, and now we will know how to prepare lemongrass tea. So these are the 2 leaves of lemongrass which I have cut from the plant to make 1 cup of lemongrass tea. So if you are not having lemongrass plant, you can purchase lemongrass from online or any other store, but it is always preferable to grow a lemongrass at your home, lemongrass plant at your home, because it has many other uses also, like it repels mosquitoes away from your home. So now we will learn how to prepare lemongrass tea. So before putting this lemongrass into water, what we will do, we will first crush these leaves, these 2 leaves, because crushing will help to release all the oils, all the oil contents from these leaves. You can use a mortar and a pestle. So slightly crushing these leaves will help to release the aroma or the essential oil out of it. We will take a pan, lit up the flame, add a cup of water to it and allow to boil. So after the water has boiled, we will add these lemongrass leaves by cutting it finely into the water. Now we have just added lemongrass leaves to this water, but if you have cold and cough problem, you can add ginger, half an inch of ginger to this water. After 2 minutes, I will put off the flame and cover it with a lid for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will strain the tea. It is good to add little amount of honey to the tea. So finally, this is lemongrass tea and let me taste it now. It really tastes very good with nice lemon aroma and flavor. Along with the other benefits which I have told you, it is also helpful in reducing the anxiety. It enhances your mood and makes you more happier. It also helps to reduce your weight and helps in your weight loss journey. You can have lemongrass tea whenever you are feeling bloated, gas problem or digestive issues. You can continue this lemongrass tea for about 15 days and you can shift to another one. It is very beneficial for every person. However, it is best to avoid during pregnancy and for breastfeeding mothers. I hope you like this video, this lemongrass tea. So please share it and like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button so that you never miss the upcoming videos. I will be bringing much more informative videos for all of you. Till then, stay blessed, be happy. Bye bye.